Academy Inspector Training video. We're here in downtown Newark. So we've already talked about this fire escape, that the fact that this 20-foot long ladder is missing, there is a life safety issue here, right? But then we also noticed that there is an occupied second floor, which looks like a
beauty salon.
A beauty salon.
Mm-hmm.
Where's its second means of egress other than this is one staircase up and there's nothing out of the back, correct?
No.
Okay, so what used to be here was probably another set of staircases. See that hole?
See the little bracket right here?
Yeah, you see the hole though? The hole in the bottom? There was another staircase that used to come. They removed it. And they put in all those windows straight across, but the fire escape looked ugly. So right now, to play with this building, you have a non-conforming structure because that business didn't have any right to be up on that second floor. Whoever made the lease didn't satisfy the code, which is 2 means of egress. So you have an illegal rental on the second floor, which can be easily resolved. So let's resolve it right away. What can we do? What you have to do immediately is put another staircase coming back down, or put a platform somewhere here with a staircase down to the ground or a ladder down to the ground to get that minimally the second floor compliant. But it also needs you to completely put the staircase back in, picking up all the other floors up above. Okay, so that's right now, if you want to play with this guy, if he's really being a hard one with you guys, you say, hey, not only is your first floor an issue because it has one means of egress in and out, your second floor doesn't have 2 means of egress, so you're currently in violation of the building code, not a fire code, building code, but also the fire code, which means every structure must have 2 means of egress out. So this fire escape now needs to be dealt with. And is this a life safety issue? Because in case there's a fire here in the beauty salon, are we fighting a fire when we get here, or are we doing a rescue?
Rescue.
Right? Because if there's a trash can fire right here at this front, a car careens out of the way and it crashes right here. If that car crashes right here and it sets this stair, how do these people get out without you guys?
They can't.
So there's a second means of egress missing here that somebody may or may have not known that is currently happening. So if this guy is not aware, you guys can keep finding problems after problems, and you may have to shut down that upstairs until such time that the second means of egress is satisfied, and that is a balcony right there that feeds from that window, and then a ladder coming down in between the two. So there may be some modification to this system here to basically have a 24-inch space there for the ladder to come down. Okay? So it's things like that that occur in many situations where the fire escape is the only way to satisfy the second means of egress. So the upper has to be refurbished so that the firefighters have the ability to fight a fire on this building. But right now, the first and second floor, including this one, do you believe that there's a second floor on this one?
No.
Is there a fire escape on the second floor?
No, not to my knowledge.
So that guy, where that guy's coming out, is the only means up? You get a fire on the second floor here, you got a rescue mission first, then a firefight. So a lot of times they'll join a fire escape right here between the two. One that goes, picks up this, and then have a common ladder to the ground. Will that automatically satisfy the second means?
Yes.
So now you have a life safety issue at 186. Yeah, it's a life safety issue because it's a rescue mission as soon as you get here, but it's also a building code violation in that you can't rent anything on the second floor without having 2 means of egress. Okay? Any questions? Fire Escape Academy, Inspector Training.